started noticing hair loss around 19 years old. When it got really bad, I went for my first transplant surgery. I was about 24, 25, I think. You know, and over the last, I'd say 15 years, it was frustration. The hair system is way more expensive and a lot more maintenance and a lot more frustration. And I went on the website and I looked at the pictures of before and after. You're definitely made to feel welcome. It's simple. You're comfortable. Not really any pain during or after. It's a lot more simple than you would think it would be. I would say to Dr. Bolton, thank you for giving my life back.
My name is Ryan. I am a 2 transplant patient here at Dr. Bolton's. Came across Dr. Bolton, met with Josh, and felt like it's something that I needed to do. I can style it with gel when I put anything, conditioner or gel in, but now it's thick. My regular barber was out of town. I just told him, I said, be careful about going, too short. So like he couldn't even tell. He was amazed to find out that I actually had a hair transplant. When people started to see my hair come back, they actually, why did you ever shave your head? Why didn't you grow? You have such a nice thick head of hair. It's just amazing. I'm extremely happy with it. I love you, Dr. Bolton. I mean, the whole staff here, everybody. And I'm happy for it. I'm grateful for it.
Procedure was the best choice for me. The doctor, the whole staff is very friendly. He was the doctor. I got that feeling from my heart that he was the doctor. No pain. We have a lot of fun. We went like this. Communication is not an issue. Any question, right away, email, phone calls. It was answered like this. And the results are truly amazing. Truly amazing in one procedure. My expectations were met and beyond.
I really didn't inhibit me, but I'll be frank with you, I probably didn't like my picture being taken as often. Well, in my office, I realized I was the oldest guy there, and I was starting to look older and older and older. It was fine. It went much quicker and easier than I thought. I'm just amazed at how many people come up to me and say, you get a great head of hair. Frankly, I lied a couple of times. I said no, but then I went back and told them. Lied to you the first time? I got my hair transplant. They were amazed. I'd recommend anybody who's losing their hair and is looking for a safe alternative. This is the only way to go. Thanks a lot, Doc.
One of the things that was advertised and spoke about was being able to complete the job with one procedure. I was able to leave that night. I got a couple of pain pills. I don't even think I took them. And the next day I was, back to regular. I've gotten tremendous amount of, hey, what have you done? Have you lost weight? Have you changed your hairstyle? I like your hair like that. I absolutely would. I've seen the progress, dramatic progress over the time when I started. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.